Hello, Lisa. My name is Julia Tushnitska. I received your question about threads. So we have really high quality threads that I am using all the time for my projects. And what I can offer you, just let's see. First of all, it's Sapphire Luxe. I have few colors available. So for example, this one I have, it's lavender 29.29. This thread is perfect for your tunique because one skein, one cone has 500 meters and 100 grams. For this thread, you can use crochet hook 1.7 millimeters, also can be 1.5 millimeters and 2 millimeters. Together with threads, I can send you like a gift one crochet hook 1.7 millimeters. It's really perfect for this thread. I have a few colors. You can see at our website jthouse.net/store. I will send you the link. You can check what colors I have, just few where we have 6 cones because you need 6 cones. You can check this information. Also, when you will use this thread, you need to take only one thread and work with crochet hook. Just I can show you sample I am sending to my student right now. We have like this blue kit, navy and middle blue, and samples of elements. I want to show you one. It looks really gorgeous. Let's see flower. I will show you a big one. This thread is really amazing, high quality, soft, shiny, silky, perfect for summer because you will feel, yes, your client will feel herself really comfortable. It's perfect for hot weather. It's elastic a little bit. It's soft, and also it looks perfect, gorgeous. Just you need to iron and stretch it when you finish this lace or element, and you will get this amazing result. So this is Sapphire Luxe. I really recommend you this thread if you like such result. Yes. After what else? Also, I have Italian viscose. It's more thin. We have it here, coral color. This one in such cones. When I work with this thread, I am joining 3 threads together, and also I am using the same crochet hook 1.7 millimeters. So when you join 3 threads together, you will get the same thickness like Sapphire Luxe thread. I will show you closer one cone I have here closer. So this one is Italian viscose thin. You need to join 3 threads together. The result is really awesome. Also silky, shiny, beautiful lace, incredibly beautiful, I can say even. Also, we received just matte. It's matte Italian viscose. It's not slippery, it's not silky. Few colors. We have light peach, more intensive. Also, this one lavender. And also we have 3 different turquoise colors. This threads I have, so I can create, I think, maybe this one, just I don't have enough. I can create for you a yarn kit, 600 grams, if you want such color. Also, I have white thread. I have white viscose, and I have a white matte viscose. So it can be shiny or it can be matte viscose. So we can say that this matte viscose, it's more like a cotton, but it's also Italian viscose. So if you don't like slippery threads or shiny threads like this, silky, this thread will be perfect. It's soft, and we have, once again, we have light peach, we have middle peach, 3 turquoise and white, and also lavender. Such colors I have right now. Also, if we are talking about thin Italian viscose, this one and coral one, I have new colors. We just received a parcel with new colors. There we have golden beige. What else? We have few colors, new colors: purple, fuchsia. Next we have their green color, pastel green, and just you can tell me what colors you like, and I will check and I will tell you. Do I have them or no? Yes, like this. Also light pink, almost like this. I will show you light pink. It's almost like this. It's also thin Italian viscose, join it together 3 threads, and you can see this beautiful result, motif flower with wings. So you can tell me what you want. You can visit our website, and also you can tell me what colors you like, and I will tell you do I have them in our new yarns that I just received. And I'm sure we will find a really perfect yarn kit for you, and you will get crochet hook like a gift if you want. Yes, my favorite 1.7 millimeters like this. So don't be afraid to ask me anything. I will gladly send you more information. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching, and talk with you soon. Yes, bye bye for now.